Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Lens of Truth with me, Ivan Florentino. And for today's video, this is a compilation of Kirby copy abilities or Kirby costumes for Halloween. But before we get started, consider hitting that like button, ring the bell, and leaving a comment. So, let's get to it. Now, for this compilation video, this was actually done over the past year and even some of last year with October that I actually never got to do a fully edited video for. So this is the one where I included things like Kirby in different Halloween costumes, like him in a devil outfit, him as a skeleton holding a Halloween bag. I even drew Kirby as Luigi from Luigi's Mansion with his little flashlight. One of my favorite ones was drawing 2B from Nier Automata and his little robot companion. This one was really cool because I went all out with the detail in the hair and the sword. It was really fun to kind of do all of the shadows, lighting, and hair effects. I even drew Kung Fu Panda as Kirby as well. And of course, Kirby can be almost anything because he is adorable. He is adaptable to anything. So having him in costumes was super cool and fun to do. Especially because when I did this, the chat was giving me suggestions on what else to draw. And another one of my favorites was Kirby as Captain Falcon. This was fun to do because I drew him as his costume that he has in Super Smash Bros. For that copy ability when he copies Captain Falcon, and I drew him playing around with the Blue Falcon as a little toy. But yeah, I do have more of these Kirby and other Halloween drawing edited videos coming up soon. Comment down below what you guys thought and if you guys have any ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Consider becoming a member to my channel, hitting that button, turning on the bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.